Yep.
Gezi, commiserations. Wasn't to be on home soil. How would you sum the night up as a whole? Disappointed?
No, I'm happy. I wanted to just get the first win. You know, get one game against Nathan under my belt. I done that. Beat Rob. I played pretty well. Rubbish in the final, but you know, Michael played well. He put me under pressure. Every throw on his, you know, the first 3 darts, he was hitting 180 or 140, and I just couldn't find it. But that's the way darts go sometimes. And yeah, I'm happy. I've got a couple of points on the board, and on to next week.
The support you got out there was incredible. How much did you take from that today?
Yeah, they're brilliant for me every time I come to Cardiff, and I appreciate it. Just pity I couldn't reward them with a win, but you know, on to next week now in Germany, and they always support me in Germany, so I'm looking forward to that one.
Obviously, the news come out today. You're not playing in the Masters. What's the thought process behind that?
Yeah, on to next week. I'm ready for the Premier League. I'm going to Germany next week, and then roll into the Pro Tours. So yeah, just get this one behind me. Back into Germany next week.
Thank you very much.
Gezi, can you put your finger on why it fell a little bit flat in the final there tonight?
I'm not sure. That's the way darts goes. You know, sometimes you can hit everything, and then other times they just don't go. And you know, for Michael, they were going. He played really well in his semi-final as well. Yeah, I just don't know. Just roll on to next week, and you know, I picked up a couple of points. I'm second in the league after week 1, so roll on the next couple of weeks.
And a new walk-on from you tonight. You're going to be sticking with that going forward. What was the meaning behind that?
Possibly, like it was pretty decent. Probably a bit flatter than what I thought, but you know, if I find something a little bit better, then I'll move that as well.
Cheers, guys.
Obviously, a strong start for you. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Is that the way you go into this? And you know, got points on the board, made the final.
Yeah, I was happy with one game. You know, I come to Cardiff. I didn't want to go out first round. I was happy to win against Nathan and probably relaxed a little bit too much. And even in the final there, you know, Michael played brilliant, but I'm probably a little bit too relaxed. I was happy with points on the board, and you know, that's what this tournament's all about. Get to the playoffs, you know, in 17 weeks' time, and then pick up the trophy hopefully. But yeah, you know, it was 10 grand to it as well. I'm a little bit gutted about that, but you know, maybe next week.
Gerwyn, we spoke yesterday and you said that the difference last year was that he was enjoying the Premier League. Where's the mindset this year? Do you think it'll be the same, and then that'll lead to success? 3 points tonight.
No, I'm enjoying. You know, that this is what I'm taking. You know, every week as it comes, and I'm enjoying my darts, which I haven't done, you know, every week over the last couple of years. But you know, what better start than to come to Cardiff? I had 2 wins out of 3. I wanted to get the third one and you know, and get top of the league, but you know, it's 15 more weeks to go, and hopefully the playoffs as well.
And where is your game at the moment? How close to your A game do you think that you are?
I'm a mile off. I'm not scoring, I'm not hitting doubles, but I'm scraping games. So you know, when I start playing well, they can look out.
That just show how dangerous you are, and that you're a mile off your A game.
I'm rubbish. I'm getting to this final. I'm getting to semi-finals, and you know, this is the game that I've played, you know, for the last couple of weeks. So I'm absolute rubbish, but you know, I'll hang on, and the purple patch will come, and once the Pro Tours come and the Europeans, that's something I'll be at my best.
Just Gerwyn, thank you.
No worries.
Gezi, Luke was put off by Whistler. Michael Smith had it in the semis as well.
Well, Luke Humphries, you mean?
Yeah, he was put off when he was trying against Little.
But everyone's going to get that every week now, and that's part and parcel of the game, and I've had it for the last 5 years, so welcome to the club.
Is there anything security can do? I think the management can do, just try and target that. I mean, it's sort of...
Chuck everyone out. Go back to COVID. That's the only way you're going to solve it. You're not going to do anything. You know, everyone's going to do what they're going to do. They're all up there on the alcohol, so it doesn't matter. You can't stop it.
So players have to put up with it, perhaps just accept it. It's part of the game now, really.
100%.
Yeah.
Gerwyn, how was